Hello everyone, quick video. This is Mazda CX-30. In today's video we are resetting the service light, the maintenance light here. You want to make sure your car is off. You're going to press twice on the start button, 1, 2. It's going to start in this mode. You're going to go to your applications. Click on applications. You're gonna go into vehicle status monitor. Click into that, go under maintenance, oil change, and we're gonna reset the light. Are you sure you want to reset? You're gonna click reset, and that's it. Now it's due in 8,000 kilometers. And our maintenance light is gone. Now you're simply gonna start the car as you normally would by pressing brake, starting the car, and the maintenance light is no longer there.